Hello, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this card using the Poinsettia Petals bundle that's part of the Poinsettia Place suite in the new holiday catalog. So for this bundle, it's on page 15 of the new catalog, so you definitely want to check out all the beautiful samples. The suite includes this beautiful designer series paper, this plush poinsettia specialty paper, these beaded pearls, and this really pretty red sheer ribbon. So we're going to be using some of these products today. So I've got everything stamped and cut, and this is the plush paper. There's 3 designs and it comes in 12 by 12 and you get 2 of each design. And starting with the Whisper White thick cardstock base, and I've got some garden green that I've embossed with the subtle embossing folder. It's very subtle. You can see it. So I'm just going to adhere that down with some Stampin' Seal. Going to add a little bit extra. When I adhere anything that's embossed, I add a little bit extra adhesive because there's less surface area to adhere. Then I'm going to add some of this plush specialty paper, and I've noticed that the Stampin' Seal doesn't really show through this vellum, so gonna just use this adhesive and I'm gonna adhere this towards the lower part of the card. And then for the poinsettias, I am going to use glue dots, and I'm gonna start with a bone folder. I'm gonna curl the petals up a little bit, and then when I use the glue dots, it will allow the petals to be free and it will allow me to curl them, which is very nice. And I can even curl the leaves a little bit. So I will peel to reveal some glue dots, and I will start with the middle one here. And I'll offset each one. Then I'll add probably 2 to the bottom to adhere it around here, like so. And then I'll also use glue dots to adhere the leaves. I'll do the large one up here. And then I will do, let's reveal a couple more glue dots. I'll do another one down here. I'm going to change this one up a little bit and put one down here. And then these are the little silver pieces. Let me show you the bundle. This is the bundle right here. So this is the stamp set with the poinsettias. These are the 3 that I stamped, and these are the leaves that I stamped. They also kind of have some fillers that you can use to fill in these leaves. And then this is a single poinsettia and some sentiments. There's also the dies. Whoops. And the dies are super cool because you can cut out the outline as well as emboss the inside, which is super cool. So I use this die right here to cut out these things out of silver foil. So I'm just going to use some glue dots to adhere them to the card. I'm just going to slip them underneath the poinsettias right here And that kind of just adds some nice bling. I'm just gonna trim this off a little bit to add it underneath the poinsettia a little bit here. So I'm gonna add a glue dot right there and then just seal this underneath right here underneath the thing. My family's home, so they're loud. Sorry about that. Ooh. And then I've got these beautiful beads here, beaded pearls. They're really, really pretty. And I'm going to adhere these with glue dots. And I'm going to put them, 3 of them, on each side of the pearls. It's funny, you tell your family that you're gonna shoot a video and you think that they would remember that, but I guess not. And then I'm gonna add some dimensionals to the sentiment, Merry Christmas. And then we'll add it to the card. Just tuck it under there so we can see it. That's another reason to use glue dots, because then you can see it. I'm just gonna trim this because we're not gonna see it anyway, because I wanna kind of tuck it in there a little bit more so it'll kind of fit on the card, and there we go. There's our beautiful poinsettia card. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.